It's no secret that more and more people are working from home these days. And it's not hard to see why. Working from home has a ton of advantages. For starters, you can say goodbye to your daily commute. That alone is worth the switch for many people. But there are plenty of other reasons to love working from home, too. For one, you have a lot more control over your schedule. If you need to take a break to run errands or take care of personal business, you can do so without having to ask for permission from your boss. Additionally, working from home can help you save money. You don't have to spend money on gas to get to and from work, and you may even be able to save on childcare costs if you can do your job while your kids are with you, at school or asleep. Making money from home is a great way to earn some extra income, or even replace your full-time job. There are 6 different ways you can work from home. 1. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make money from home. You can promote products for other companies and earn a commission on each sale that you make. There are many different affiliate programs available, and you can find one that suits your interests and skills. For more info, click YouTube link below for affiliate network websites that have products from companies to promote. 2. Click ad networks. Many different companies offer click ad networks. These companies will pay you money for each click that you generate on their ads. This is a great way to make money from home, and it can be very profitable. For more info, click YouTube link below for click ad network websites that you can place on your webpage or blog website. If you are looking for a website that requires no website running experience or technical knowledge, then these sites from socialmediamanagercompany.com are perfect for you. These sites will work for you 24 hours a day on autopilot and is easy to use with no maintenance required. These websites are very easy to customize with an easy-to-use admin panel and social sharing links. They are 100% automated and self-updating, powered by WordPress. With an attractive design and responsive layout, these sites can integrate with several affiliate programs and click ad networks. If you're looking for a way to make money online with these methods, socialmediamanagercompany.com, we sell affiliate markets and click ad networks website on autopilot, and our prices are unbeatable. If you're in the market for a new blogging website, we've got just the thing. Our selection of pre-made blogging websites is perfect for anyone looking to get started in the world of online publishing. Best of all, they're easy to set up and use, so you'll be up and running in no time. With our wide range of products and services, you're sure to find something that suits your needs. So what are you waiting for? Visit socialmediamanagercompany.com today and start making money. 3. Sell products online. If you have some products that you want to sell, then setting up an online store is a great way to do it. You can create your website or use a marketplace like eBay, Etsy, or Amazon. You will need to put in some effort to market your products, but if you choose the right products, you can make a lot of money. 4. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a great way to make money from home. You can set up an online store and sell products that are shipped directly to your customers. This is a great way to avoid having to deal with inventory or shipping yourself. 5. Micro-jobs websites. There are many different micro-jobs websites that you can use to make money from home. These websites will allow you to do small tasks for people and earn money for each task that you complete. For more info, click YouTube link below for different micro-jobs websites. 6. Freelancer. If you have some skills that you can offer to others, then freelancing is a great way to make money from home. You can find work on many different freelancing websites and earn money for the services that you provide. Freelancing is a great way to make money if you have the right skills. For more info, click YouTube link below for different freelancer websites. These are just a few of the different ways that you can make money from home. With a little bit of effort, you can find the perfect way to earn some extra income. If you would like more videos like this, please like and subscribe and check the links below for more info. Don't forget to check out our other videos on making money from home.